The overall goal of this new procedure is to determine the plastic limit in soils by measuring bending deformations. The traditional thread rolling method is highly influenced by the skill of the laboratory operators, so an alternative approach is presented.
This method allows the plastic limit to be obtained with a clear and objective criterion. Therefore, the obtained results are highly reliable to classify and identify soils for geotechnical purposes.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is not only quick, simple and cheap, but also accurate and free of subjective interpretations.
Beginning with a fine soil sample, dry it at 60 degrees Celsius or less as needed. Next, disaggregate the soil manually using a mortar. Preferably use a rubber-lined pestle to avoid breaking up the sand particles. Then pass the sample through a 0.4 mm sieve and discard the soil collected in the sieve. Now, take about 20 to 40 grams of soil and wet it down on a non-absorbent glass plate. Then, knead the sample with a metal spatula until a homogeneous soil-water mixture is obtained. Wearing latex gloves, roll the mixture into a ball that is between 3 and 5 centimeters in diameter. Now, make a second ball with more or less water than the first, so the balls have different moisture content. Both soil balls must not crumble or stick when they are handled. Then, wrap each soil ball with cling film and place them in an airtight bag.